Hey everybody! Today I was working on making a Desmos activity and this came up quite a bit for me and I had to keep looking back and I thought, you know what, let's make a video on this. It is where the students would type in an equation into a math input and then it shows up on a graph component. So how is that done? Let's take a look. So we're going to need a graph component and a math input. And I'm going to use a note, for some instruction. Okay, so in this video, we're not going to go over, the feedback on whether it's right or wrong. We'll save that for another one because that's a little more complicated than like a 5 to 10 minute video if I were to put it all together. All right, let's start naming stuff here. Do I need to name this? Maybe I don't. But I do need to name or label my math input. I'm just gonna put here, math 1. Oh, how original. My instructions will be type the equation, type an equation. All right. So now I'm going to go into my graph component here. And perhaps I want them to make the graph that I'm making. So my students are studying linear equations, and maybe I want them to put in -2/3 x plus 4. Okay. Down here, I'm going to type in f of x and leave it alone. Don't put the slider or anything. That's where their graph will come in. Okay, that's it for the graph component. Boop. All right. Now for the graph computation layer. So let's go in there. And we are going to grab that function, which we called f. So type in function. Oh, pops up for me. And we called it f of x. So put an f there. And now this will be a simple function. In the parentheses, we are going to type where they're getting this function from, and it's from the math component that we called math 1. Dot, and it's a string, so it will know to make that what it needs to make it. Okay, so let's check it out. This is what it would look like for the students right now. It says type an equation. Actually, the directions should say something much different than that. But I would hope the students would type, oh, let's say they get it wrong. And they're like, okay. Ooh, okay. Even better. There we go. So honestly, I don't know what the whole submit button is about, but there it is. I guess that's it. That was rather short and sweet, but yes, just in the graph component here, that little coding, that's it. And by the way, that you could get more crazy than just linear equations. You could type in, whatever you desire here. Okay. Have fun with it. I hope this is helpful to you.